Hello, welcome to another best remote work from home job just for you. Today we're going to talk about this customer support specialist for better talent, and this one can pay up to $1,058 per week. So you can work anywhere in the United States of America. Sojo is the vacation rental industry first amenity automation platform. We connect to property managers' reservations calendars to totally automate the ordering, storing, and kitting of guest amenities. From the bathroom and laundry to the kitchen and pantry. You'll be working in a fast-paced startup environment with a small but passionate team who values innovation, customer obsession, market transformation, and a relentless focus on simplifying operations for vacation rental managers across the country. They're looking specifically for a passionate, self-starting, and effective customer service professional to foster long-term relationships with our clients. This is the key role within Sojo, and we're looking for someone with the drive and creativity to help us build the best customer service team in the industry. Sojo provides a unique opportunity to support a platform that provides both physical goods and software to a growing client base of vacation rental managers of all sizes. This means one day you'll be helping a client create a custom set of amenities for the luxury properties, and the next you'll be tracking down a reservation issue with one of our integrated software partners. This is a unique role that will work with every department across the business, and you'll have the autonomy and support you need to be successful every step of the way. If you're ready to flex your skills and learn a few new ones, we'd love to work together. So your responsibilities as a customer support specialist, you will act as the face of Sojo for key client accounts. You'll drive adoption, retention, and expansion for a product vacation rental managers love. You'll master our in-house technology platform that manages all products, orders, shipping information, and client account details. You provide clear, thoughtful, and empathetic phone, email, and chat communications to clients. You'll troubleshoot client issues relating to our in-house tech and outside integrations. You help build the foundation of customer success at Sojo by establishing and documenting processes, creating customer support content, help center articles, videos, etc., and developing internal training documentation. You elevate your skills as we move quickly to grow our product lines and SaaS platform functionality. Your qualifications. We're a growing team looking for a key early hire. So even if you don't match all the requirements exactly, but feel you'd be a great fit, please still apply. So remember that they put there. Even if you don't match all the requirements exactly, but you feel you'd be a great fit, please still apply. So must-haves. A track record of high achievement in your past account management or customer support roles, a passion for outstanding customer support and the role it plays in making the larger team successful, strong interpersonal skills with an ability to communicate and complicated technical concepts clearly and thoughtfully to clients, a natural curiosity and desire to dive into issues and understand the true root cause, experiencing balancing multiple customers' needs simultaneously and independently, prioritizing your workday, highly adaptable, easily acclimating to a rapidly changing business and industry, a drive to identify creative ways to improve the customer experience as just new, out-of-the-box ideas, an interest in personal and professional growth, and you'll have exposure to many facets of our day-to-day business and the opportunity to grow into new roles within the company. These are nice to have, so you don't need to have this, but these are nice to have. You've been an early hire at a fast-growing startup before, experience in the growing vacation rental industry, and experience working in software or natural ability to learn and adopt new tools. Your compensation and benefits is an annual salary of $50,000 up to $55,000 with overtime of $68,000. Bonus details. They will have a retention bonus. So following the commencement of your employment with Sojo, you will receive an additional $5,000 as a retention bonus on the first anniversary of employment. In order to be eligible to receive this benefit, you must be employed and in good standing with Sojo on the anniversary date. variable compensation. In addition to your annual base compensation, you'll be eligible for an annual bonus opportunity up to a maximum of 15% of your base salary per year. All variable compensation will be sole discretion of Sojo. You also get paid time off, sick days and vacation days, health insurance, life insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, healthcare spending or reimbursement accounts such as HSAs, FSAs, HRAs, long-term disability insurance, short-term disability insurance, and telecommuting options. So if this sounds like you'll be the right fit, I'll put the link right below in the description box so you can apply right away. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new best remote work from home job opportunity just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.